Hello friends, welcome back to my channel. Today we'll learn how to create music album cover in Canva. So let's start. First go to Canva dashboard and click on create design and search for music album cover. Then drag the images which you want to put in album. Then go to app section and search for image blender and blend two images linearly. Save again, blend linearly, again save, so it is done. Now I have to add heart element, then search for heart. I choose the design for a heart. Change the color. Now add some text. We have to add album song name. Now we want to set the font style. Then for a great song I choose Legend Mega font. Then set the font size and put it middle. Then for My Love I set Palm Club fonts. Then copy the font style and put on new album. All the text set in middle. Now change the color of the text. Add effect. Then add some elements. I choose this line element. For just decorating purpose. So here it is. Your music album cover is ready. Now download in PDF print. Hope you like this tutorial. Like, share and subscribe to my channel. Bye bye.